Hi guys, thank you for tuning in and watching my video. I hope everyone is all right and doing okay, and if not, I'm sending you a big hug and always stay positive no matter what the situation, because you've got this. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Anna and I'm happy to have you here. So let's get started. So for today's video, I want to share with you my #1 website where you can earn extra monthly income while working in the comfort of your home. You will only need your laptop, phone, and stable internet. So the site I'm talking about is called Appen, and I've been using this website since the year 2021. I think I registered in September and started working in November. That is when I got myself my proper first project. So you've been wondering what is actually Appen. So Appen is the company that basically offers flexible work opportunities for people all around the world to participate in exciting work from home opportunities. And with Appen, you will enjoy competitive pay and flexibility to schedule your hours to fit your lifestyle and to work around your career and family demands. So let's say if you're a stay-at-home mom or a stay-at-home dad or a student or even still on your current job, you will be able to do the job because of its flexibility. Myself, I start working with this company, as I mentioned, in 2021 in September, and is where I registered. But after you apply, your application will need to be reviewed by Appen team, and you will get the projects that are good fit, and the projects will be shown on the project page where you will be required to apply. So always remember to read the requirements of the projects before applying, because some projects have specific requirements in terms of variability, and some require you to do qualification tests. So be sure to apply only when you know you can really do it. After making sure you can really do it, then you can click the apply button, and you will then sign some electronic documents, and sometimes during the application process you will need to do some qualification questions or tests. So they will provide you with guidelines, so be sure to always read the guidelines properly and attentively to be able to answer the questions. So if you pass the qualification test and follow all the necessary procedures, because they will send you emails on the projects applied, and if you happen to pass, you will get your very first project where you will get a contract and become Appen contributor. So well done to you. So if you want to be a successful Appen contributor, you will need to be a curious person and really just enjoy online research. Another thing, you will also need to be a motivated person, a self-driven and organized individual, and you will do well. I was lucky to get my first project and started working after 2 months. So I just want to point out that you need to be patient, as there are quite a lot of people working with this company. But the good thing is that once you are in the project, you are good. The pay is around $14 per hour, because they're not paying in pounds, they're paying in dollars. Or sometimes they pay you per task, and they pay every month on the 14th after you submitted your invoice, and after your invoice got approved through Pioneer. So you have to register, you need to register with this another company is called Pioneer for you to get paid. So when I started, I was not sure whether this is a scam or not, because I made $399 that month, but I did get paid, you guys, and the money kept coming in every month. Sometimes it was more depending on the hours I put in or the projects I'm doing. Mind you, some people do this as their full-time job. So if you have some qualification in linguistics or translation or transcribing, that will be a bonus. But don't worry, there are a lot of projects to choose from that does not really require you to have this kind of qualification. And I will show you my proof of earnings. But the down thing of Appen is that the projects can end at any time, so be sure to apply for more projects if you can.
You can see I'm logging in and
while waiting to be assigned.
Yeah. Yeah, it says login. So this is actually my profile. You can see all the projects which I'm working on, and all the projects which I'm working on and working on as well. You can see from there, can you see the amount of money? That's a lot of money per task. But this specific project requires you to have like a built-in stylus, which I don't have, so I'm not gonna take it anyways. And sorry for my voice. And here is the part where I'm showing my invoices. These are my invoices. Like I said, I started in 2021, and that's the first pay I go, $399, and it keeps coming up. I mean, the amount keeps going up because of the hours I was putting in. And like I said, now the project ended. I've got very few projects, which gives me very little amount of pay, but I've got some projects which I'm waiting to be given the rating tool, so it will be okay. So that's basically my invoice. You can see over there. Yeah.
So if you are from Africa, Europe, America, or any other part of the world, I will leave a link in the description box to go and apply and start making money. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions for me, I'll be more than happy to help you. Please subscribe to my channel, as I'll be uploading more videos on different topics, and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with others. Please stay safe and always stay blessed. Bye bye.